Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock B550 PG Riptide motherboard. So what is ASRock's Riptide series of motherboards all about? Well, according to ASRock's website, the Riptide series is built around the powerful gaming related features and offers uncompromised quality, stability and performance. And unlike similar spec high-end motherboards, the ASRock Riptide series won't break your bank and offers one of the best price over performance ratios on the market. The ASRock B550 PG Riptide supports all of the AMD Ryzen processors, including the 3000, 4000 and the latest 5000 series. It supports memory speeds of up to DDR4 4933 MHz OC and PCIe 4 standards both on the PCIe x16 steel slot as well as the Hyper M.2 for your SSDs, which supports the PCIe 4 Gen 4. And as usual, it comes with all of ASRock's unique features such as the 10-phase power design, the DigiPower, Dr. Moss, the 7.1 HD Nahimic audio, and Killer's E3100G 2.5 gigabit LAN, of course ASRock's Polychrome Sync. With the Riptide, ASRock have included two unique patent pending features, which is a nice added bonus. And these include the graphics card holder, which we've seen in other motherboards from ASRock. And you also get the unique Lightning gaming port aimed at gamers and enthusiasts, and it allows you to connect high-end peripherals such as keyboard and mice, offering the lowest latency and jitter. Now I can't wait to put this motherboard into our test rig and see how it performs against other B550 as well as X570 motherboards that we've tested in the past. So before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock B550 PG Riptide. Let's have a look inside the box. Alright, here we have the motherboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec. Let's have a look at the accessories inside. Alright, we have a driver disc with a ASRock badge right here. Alright, Riptide postcard, very nice. We have the quick installation guide and the manual. We have a pair of SATA cables for your hard drives. There are three sets, or two sets of the M.2 screws and mounts. We have a I/O backplate. And then this unique feature, this is the graphics card holder from ASRock. All right, so these are the accessories. Let's take a look at the motherboard. All right, here we have the ASRock B550 PG Riptide motherboard. Okay, we'll start off with the top right here. Here we have the motherboard power. That's the 8-pin and 4-pin PCIe power there. We have a load of fan headers right here, and also ARGB and a standard RGB header for your connectors right here. It's the AM4 socket for your processors, supporting all AMD Ryzen processors, 3000, 4000 and 5000 series. And here we have the DIMM slots, supporting DDR4 4933 OC. And moving on here, we have the standard ATX 24-pin power, USB 3, and more USB 3, and of course 6 SATA ports connectors right here. We have more fan headers and more connectors for USBs, and of course more RGB headers right here. All right, PCIe slots, we have one steel slot here, PCIe 4 x 16, and then we have two x 16 slots here, but they're 1 times and 4 times. Underneath here, the armor, this heat shield here, we have the Hyper M.2 supporting PCIe 4 Gen 4x4. There's your M.2 Wi-Fi, and also the Ultra M.2 standard PCIe 3 Gen 3 there. Alright, let's have a look at the I/O. Alright, starting off here, we have the bracket here for your Wi-Fi. So ever connect to your M.2 Wi-Fi, this is the bracket you use. Here we have the HDMI, USB 3s, and also Gen 2. Also this one here is the lightning port for your gaming. More USB 3s, it's the PS2 keyboard and mouse, the 2.5 gigabit LAN, the killer 3100G, and then we have an array of audio connectors. Alright, we have one heat sink here, which is quite large, and it has the Riptide Phantom Gaming logo here. That's about it. And this is the ASRock B550 PG Riptide motherboard.
So in conclusion, the ASRock B550 PG Riptide is a modest motherboard designed for the budget-conscious gamer. Although it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles that you'll find on the higher end motherboards, it does offer great value for money and a decent amount of features to match. During our benchmarks, we produced some decent scores, including a Cinebench score of 9,870 and a Passmark 9 score of 6,381. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 7,465 and a score of 8,129 in UL's latest Procyon photo editing benchmark. For 3D Mark Port Royale, we got a score of 6,700 with a DLSS score of 74 frames per second. And finally, for TimeSpy and Firestrike, we got a score of 10,518 and 24,433 respectively. So to wrap up, if you're planning to build an AMD-based gaming PC and you want an affordable motherboard that does the job, then the ASRock B550 PG Riptide is your answer. It offers great value for money with good performance and a decent amount of features to match. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock B550 PG Riptide motherboard. It offers some unique features, decent performance, and a price that won't break your bank. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.